Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our 28-day free English course. Today is Week 3 Speaking and Listening Revision. If you've been following the course regularly, this week is very important because we are going to revise everything related to speaking and listening skills. Speaking English is not just about knowing words. It is about confidence, pronunciation, fluency, and responding naturally. So let's revise, practice, and improve together. Why speaking practice is important. Speaking practice helps you improve fluency, build confidence, use vocabulary in real situations, reduce fear of making mistakes. Remember, English improves when you speak, not just when you read or listen. Even 10 to 20 minutes of daily speaking practice can create big improvement. Key vocabulary for speaking. Let's quickly revise some important everyday phrases. Repeat after me. Hello, please, thank you. Excuse me, goodbye. Now full sentences. Hello, how are you? Could you help me, please? Thank you for your help. Excuse me, may I ask a question? These simple phrases build strong communication foundations. Practicing pronunciation. Pronunciation is very important for clear communication. Try this minimal pair. Bat, pat, ship, sheep. Now a tongue twister. She sells seashells by the seashore. Speak slowly first, then increase speed. Tip. Record your voice and compare it with native pronunciation. Daily pronunciation practice improves clarity and confidence. If you feel shy starting conversations, try these simple questions. How was your day? What do you like to do in your free time? Have you been here before? What do you think about this? Open-ended questions help create longer conversations. Practice asking and answering these aloud. Let's do a quick role play. At a cafe. A. Hello, what would you like to order? B. I would like a coffee, please. A. Anything else? B. No, thank you. Now asking for directions. A. Excuse me, can you help me? B. Yes, of course. A. Where is the nearest bus station? B. It's around the corner. Practice these with a friend or even alone. Common beginner mistakes. Wrong verb tense. Example, I go yesterday, but correct. I went yesterday. Incorrect pronunciation. Direct translation from your native language. Mistakes are normal. Don't fear them. Learn from them. Good speaking needs good listening. When someone speaks, maintain eye contact. Don't interrupt. Listen carefully. Respond clearly. You can also summarize. So you mean? This shows active listening. Week 3 is about confidence and clarity. Remember, practice daily. Don't fear mistakes. Focus on fluency first. Stay consistent. Speaking English is a skill. Skills improve with practice. You are improving every single day. Visit EnglishHumanityUAPD.com and continue your learning journey. See you in Week 4.